Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on an Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to take a screenshot without using physical buttons can be helpful in situations where the buttons are difficult to access or not functioning properly. It is also offers a hands-free option, which can be convenient when you are multitasking or using your device in a specific context where touching the screen is more accessible than pressing physical buttons. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Settings menu on your device. Okay, so now type the screenshot in the search box and then you can select this option. Well, after that, here you'll find two options and activate it by turning on the toggle here. Okay, so now you can take a screenshot without button, that is by sliding your three finger or by lunging press your three fingers. Lastly, click Save button at the corner. Okay, so for the next step, you can open Smart Panel on your device like this. And then here you will find the screenshot tool and then tap on the option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.